I'm gonna make a video. There's these guys, right? They're trying to hide their faces. They're trying to be very aggressive, trying to enter the premises. I've asked them to clear the entrance.
I am speaking.
I'm asking you to clear the entrance first of all.
sir,
You're
no
not allowed to
problem,
stand
no
here.
problem.
Please, there's COVID going on in the world. You cannot stand here.
Can I speak to you?
Can you please? Yes, you will speak to me once you clear the entrance. Clear the entrance. Can you clear the entrance? I'm only going to speak to that gentleman. Can you please clear it? You're blocking my entrance. You're blocking my building's entrance. Please move aside. Can you please move aside, my friend? Stop. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. He's being aggressive. Well, this is public highway. You're standing on public property.
So he just hired you?
No, I'll just go here.
No, I can't go somewhere without any money. Oh, he just said you are just randomly. Really? You have a SI license? Oh, so you have a SI license, so you just followed his instruction to come here just to show that you are here. Oh, got it. So it means someone sent him here because you don't have any concern with Pakistani politics. Why? I got it. So all the people take them?
Animals or folks. No, it's here. They're not true, no fighting. That's all.
So do you know what he do?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
I don't care. You must think I don't give a fuck.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
What videos you want, mate?
Nobody cares. Do I check postcode?
I don't care. You must think I don't give a fuck.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
What videos you want, mate?
Nobody cares.
Someone sent him here. So he just hired you?
No, I'll just go here.
No, I can't go somewhere without any money. Oh, he just said you are just randomly. Really? You have a SI license? Oh, so you have a SI license, so you just followed his instruction to come here just to show that you are here. Oh, got it. So it means someone sent him here because you don't have any concern with Pakistani politics. Why? I got it. So all the people take them?
Animals or folks. No, it's here. They're not true, no fighting. That's all.
So do you know what he do?
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.